treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 45,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.